we've all heard shift left, shift right, and now people are talking about shift down, and several other things will come. Next day, shift upwards. But I think the way I see the testing going in is the beauty for the life of testing lies if we are able to convince the product, the business, the TPMs, the technical product management teams, and also leverage and also have engineering or the development team leverage some of those capabilities, which is again shift down. I was talking to Dennis yesterday, some of those capabilities, and uh, I think definitely Functionize is doing an amazing job with mostly on the UI side, on the application layer side, building those capabilities of AI and the TestGPT, which is again one way for people to really feel it, because AI is something that you don't feel it. It's like it's there, right? The risk is there and the AI is there, right? But again, how do you convince someone that this is an AI tool? And that's what I was telling before to Venki as well. We had the self-healing capability is something that George, if you remember, we had a small persona change in one of our content application wherein they moved the sign-in under a breadcrumb. And we were running the same open source scripts, and I showed all 11 yards. You have to make a DOM change for one UI change that went into the breadcrumb with an open source framework versus with Functionize. It prompts you and it tells you, hey, I see a change. Do you want me to apply it? And then you say, yes, it applies. So the maintenance is the big thing, right? So the maintenance, if you can completely take the maintenance off of the test engineer's shelf, and if we are able to help the business and the products to use the tool for their validations, because a lot of times your business owners and your product owners, they have certain scenarios which are very personal to them, and they remain to their chest. It's difficult to come out of them, right? And if Functionize can help, and Functionize is able to sell that, and as well as for the development team, wherein they spend a lot of unit testing, and if those can be automated in some way or the fashion, I think the entire testing, right, all this AI capabilities, and also the data layer side of it. So we are also leveraging Functionize for some of our ETL needs, which is pretty cool, right? And we extended the tool in such a way, and we have leveraged the tool for our end-to-end testing, wherein we leveraged some of your capabilities like Hopscotch.io, which integrates with the APIs. So I see if in the entire SDLC lifecycle, if Functionize can partner with every solution, and the way Venki was saying that they use it for a lot of shift right, on the market and the production, I think that's it. There's no end for the vision and life of Functionize in the testing space.